Leaking black tubing at the pump-to-copper connection in your basement? That's a classic headache with well water setups, and fixing it without tearing out the block can be tricky but doable. So, here's the lowdown. Since your black 1-inch tubing is only exposed for about 2 inches, cutting it back to add new hose clamps might not be an option unless you remove part of the block around it. Instead, you can try using a compression fitting designed for polyethylene tubing, which can create a solid seal without needing much space. Another option is a push-to-connect fitting that works well with both poly pipe and copper. These fittings grab the tubing tight and often don't require clamps at all. Before trying any fitting swap, check if the tubing or nylon barbed fitting is damaged. Sometimes just replacing old clamps and flipping one to the other side of the barb helps. Using a heat gun gently to soften the poly pipe makes it easier to slide off or on without cracking. Don't skip putting some silicone grease on the barb when reassembling. It helps the tubing slide on easier and forms a better seal. If you do end up removing part of the block, consider installing a union fitting for easier future maintenance. Lastly, double-check the alignment between the copper and poly pipe because even a slight misalignment can cause leaks. One of the biggest mistakes people make with well water pump connections is ignoring small leaks early, which leads to bigger water damage issues down the line. Catch leaks as soon as possible and tighten or replace clamps. Another common issue is using standard hose clamps instead of ones rated for polyethylene tubing. Switching to stainless steel clamps rated for poly pipe fixes this. Lastly, folks often forget to soften the poly pipe before disconnecting it, causing cracks or splits. Gently warming the pipe with a heat gun before removing it prevents damage and makes reassembly smoother. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to quickly find trusted local contractors experienced with well water systems and plumbing repairs. It also helps contractors connect with clients easily, making sure you get reliable pros for your home projects without all the hassle.